Okay, so how do you remove the battery from your Honda VFR800? I've got a 2002, but the process should be the same for most models. So the one tool you'll definitely need to make the job a lot easier is this. It's a silicone pry bar set, usually used for removing trim from car body panels, that kind of thing, but you will need something like this. It'll make the job a lot easier, so I'll be getting that out. And you'll need a socket set or a screwdriver to take the battery off itself. Okay, so first just remove the seat, and if you just bought this vehicle you might not know how to do it. You put the key in down here, turn it to the right, and that releases pulls on a cable which releases a lock on the back of the seat right here. It only releases one locking position, even though it might feel like the seat's locked in further. That's just mechanical kind of grasp, which I'll show you in a moment. So turn the key, and at the same time as turning the key clockwise, you just pull the seat up. Now it is unlocked, even though it's still quite firmly held onto the bike. Once it's unlocked, you can then pull the seat backwards like so, and as you can see, it's got a couple of grips there, a couple of grips there, and that in fact is where the lock goes. So that's how to remove the seat. And then the battery's covered over by this cover here, and this is what you'll need the trim removal tool for. Okay, so you just got to pop these little plastic rivets out. This one's quite easy. Okay, you don't need the trim removal tool for this one. That one comes out quite easily. But the other one is hidden right under there. You can see it's covered in screwdriver marks where someone's tried to get it out with a screwdriver, and honestly eventually you might succeed, but you'll scratch it up. It'll take you forever. It'll be really frustrating. Much better to just hold this back, get the trim removal tool in, and it pops out like so. Really simple, really easy. And that's the hard bit done. Once that's out, the rest of it's really easy. You just want to get a number 2 Phillips head or a 10mm socket, and just unscrew the terminals. Now you do want to remove the earth first, then you want to remove the positive after, and then when you've done that, you just take this rubber clamp which kind of holds it in. You just unhook that. It unhooks here or over here. Unhook that, and then the whole battery comes out. And of course, refitting, as they say, is a reverse sort of removal, and I'll show you that now. Screw these back on. So you just get the cover, offer it up, and you kind of have to get this one off aimed up first. You want to get this one in this hole here, so it does take a little bit of filling, and of course that cut out there should line up with there. So you kind of got to mess around with it a bit until you get it roughly right, but then you just push the rivets in yourself. And the same with this one, just push it in once it's lined up correctly, and that's now nicely in place. So it's as simple as that. That's how you remove the battery on your Honda VFR. So I've got a whole bunch of Honda VFR800 videos coming, including the ones you can see on the screen, and quite a few others besides. So do please hit subscribe to be notified when I release.